So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Free campaign we'll go about looking at how we can edit video files so as to like change certain features of our video and also how to edit audio files within Articulate. So let's look at how this can be easily done. This is basically my PC wherein I have certain video files which I've created for Articulate. I want to do this from scratch. I open up the storyline interface, wait for the storyline interface to load up. Now, once it's loaded, I want to take in a certain video sample from here, from my PC, and then edit the video so as to show you what all can be done with the editing video feature. I click on new project. Now it's a totally new canvas for me. So everything, as you will see, will be untitled. A new story will be loaded, and with a untitled scene containing only one untitled slide. So just rename this so that it aligns with what I'm teaching, editing video and audio. So edit video. Simply double click so that it gives you the power to edit. Now I will only be making use of one slide, so I don't want to have a new slide. I will simply double click on this so that I can enter my scene view. But before I do that, I want to just save this story as editing video. So I'll just write editing video and audio. So that's my story file now created. I clicked Ctrl S so that everything what I've done is saved. Double click on the slide so that my scene containing all the slides, that is my scene view, is now loaded. Now here what I want to do is I want to insert a video. I want to bring a video from outside. So I need to click on insert. Like I said, I don't want to bring a video from the content library but want to bring something from outside. That's why I look at the media section out here. Click on video and it gives me my PC. So I should be knowing where my video files are kept. So I go to Articulate eModule folder, where within my video subfolder, I have a certain sample video file which I want to use for this project of mine. Now, as soon as I click on enter, the media file is in process of getting inserted. It may take a few seconds. I will pause it here. So it's almost completed. As we have seen earlier also, we can resize the video player so that it's not full screen. I can show video controls below my video. I can make the video play only when clicked. All this is fine. What we learned last was when I click on the video tool with options and with various options of editing also appear. So now those options are more important for me because we are speaking about how we can edit video. I click on edit video and you will see a certain pop-up with the video file embedded in it appears in front of me. Now, crop refers to if I want to show a certain part of the video only, not the entire video. So, I mean, that's basically your choice. If you want to crop, you can crop. If you want to show the whole screen, you can show the whole screen as well. So this is what cropping refers to. I will want to show the whole screen, so really cropping doesn't interest me as of now. Now trimming, what trimming means is, suppose this video is say for say 3-4 minutes and I really don't want to play it for this. I want to trim it from both the front and the end so that only this portion is visible. So I can trim it like this and I can click on save and close. So that is again possible. So you can trim your video like this. So this is very common feature. I believe all participants must be well aware of what trimming means, because on smartphones also, while we uh, feel like sending certain content, we often trim and then send it. Now this is all fine. If I want to increase the brightness of the video, I can increase brightness like this. I can decrease it. So all that is again possible. You can insert a logo as well. So what I do is I will have a logo already there. I will keep it as a resource file so that you people can also make use of it. So you can have a logo inserted like this. So basically it's a resource file which you can keep and you can have it added to your this thing, like your video file. You can increase transparency so as to make it be very transparent. So you can also enter this manually. So like otherwise it would stick out. I mean, it won't be a logo and it would actually rather interfere with your screen recording. Now, after doing all this, you need to click on save and close. But one very important thing is increasing the volume. So you need to increase the volume, click on 300, and it says that volume changes will only be heard in published video, but actually I've seen previewing this, it really works. So even in the preview thing, it will work. So now when I play this, and actually what I will do is I will first make it low so that you can see how it sounds. And now let me increase the video volume. So now let me show it to you. So looks a little cool. I will save and close it, and then I will again increase the volume so that it will again make further sense on whether the volume's increased or not by you actually witnessing it in real. So now the video is getting edited, which means that whatever changes we have made is now getting inserted here. So almost on process of being done. So we'll play this now. But you play around with objects. And clearly the volume's increased. But again, if you are not liking and you think that, well, this still needs a further volume increase, what you can do is keep the video selected, again go to options, again go to edit video, and again, like otherwise you go to video volume from here. So go to video volume and again increase it to 300%. So it will work on the revised thing also. And now, like again, but you play around with options. And this is how you would be increasing volume. So again, you click on save and close, and then things like this work. So hopefully this makes you understand on how you can like edit video with respect to trimming, cropping, increasing the video audio as well. So now it's saved, and again now if I play this, but you play around with objects. So clearly it works. So we have seen on how we can insert logos, how we can trim, how we can add brightness, other options, and more importantly, how we can increase the video volume which is already existing. Subsequently, we'll also look at like how we can add closed captions, that is subtitles actually, and also if possible, how we can add our own sound, to how we can add our own sound to the video that's been recorded. So all of that in upcoming tutorials. Thank you.